Yo guys, man, less than 10,000 pairs of these joints right here. And it kind of fits me perfectly in a way which I'm gonna break down in today's video. But I would never think in a million years, bro, me, just a little older vintage, would hit on something with a sneaker like this with the limited stock. But we got them in today. It's something I've been eyeing for a very long time. And I'm hearing and seeing when we get some more colorways of this collab right here. So let's go and hop into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video. It's always greatly appreciated. You guys can hear me say it every single time I hop up on here, because without you guys, I would not be where I am today. And I can say that from the bottom of my heart, man. I truly do appreciate every single one of you guys. But if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. Every single like counts, every comment, everything counts. Every amount of support you guys can show, it will truly help in the long run. And again, thank y'all, bro. If you guys will not know, man, my IG will be linked down below. As always, put a little pop-up right here at The Real Da Vintage. I'm dropping some content, especially for them Air Jordan 5 black metallic guys. I gotta grab them real quick. Hold on, let me just go ahead and grab them real quick, bro. You guys know what is going on right here. Check them out, man. I've seen a lot of comments complaining about the Nike Air on the back not being stitched in. Me, I really don't, it's not that big of an issue to me, but of course you guys know, typically for black metallic, it is stitched in, but this is the reimagined. You got the 3M piping, 3M Nike Air on the back. And just overall, me personally, I like these a lot. I know y'all probably like, ain't no way he like them. I like them, bro. I got the 2016s, and I do feel like this 3M piping, the 3M on the back is definitely give it a nice pop. It's gonna be a nice reimagine. Not too much like the Royal Suedes, and not too little like the Air Jordan 3, white cements, even though that's still a banger. But of course, when you see here reimagine, you wanna see something different added to the sneaker. And that 3M piping, the 3M on the back, it's just, I love it. And it come with white laces with the black laces attached to it. So, hey, this is a double up for a lot of people I'm already hearing, but some things people are complaining about is the Nike on the back. So stay tuned for that content over on Instagram. And I did already do a full kind of breakdown over these on the channel, so make sure you guys go check it out. A little card right here, or just click channel, scroll back a couple of videos, and then you'll find it. But back to these guys right here. Again, like I said, bro, limited to under 10,000 pairs. Put a little screenshot over here. I think it was like 8,900 something. I don't know the exact number, but it was very low limited stock. And a shoe like this, we already know, bro. Like a shoe like this, we know what would happen if they released back in the day, but I definitely do think they have the potential, which I'm going to break down in today's video. I think they definitely have the potential to kind of rise up in a way in terms of not so much the hype, but just the nostalgia and just, grabbing them for a collector's piece, or just add them to somebody's personal collection. I'll be rocking these things. But you guys know what is going on. Oh, they went crazy with these. They went crazy with these guys right here. It would have been cool if it had like the OG box, but it is what it is. You got your huge Nike up top. You got your orange around the, the lid or whatever, Nike. And of course, you got engineered and built to the exact specifications of championship athletes from around the world. I wonder why he chose that box, but let's go ahead and get into it, bruh. The official size tag reads Nike US Force 1, white, midnight navy, and I got these joints in a size 9, as you guys can see. I hit on these for a little minute ago, and I was like, bro, I forgot to unbox these and talk about them, bro. So that's why I'm here today to do. You guys, if you don't know already, this is the Lil Yachty Concrete Boy, or the Concrete Club? I think it's Concrete Boys collab. You guys see his logo all over the tissue paper right here. Thought that was pretty cool, and I am interested in seeing how these things are looking. And yes sir, bro, here we have them, bro. The Air Force 1 Concrete Boys Lil Yachty collab, man. And again, this is one of them plain Jane joints, but I cannot knock it at all. I looked at sneakers like the Wu-Tang Dunks. All they had was a little Wu-Tang logo on the side. I look at shoes like the Rockefeller Air Force Ones that just out of nowhere was going for a crazy amount of prices. And some, Drake joints, some Knock the joints. I remember when those first dropped, people loved them. But with this being a new collab with Lil Yachty, bro, I am actually loving it. I know y'all probably like, yo, it's a plain sneaker, but it's more than just that. You gotta look at the significance of it. You gotta see how Lil Yachty is definitely one of them ones when it comes to the sneaker community, and he finally got his, you know, chance to mark an Air Force One. I can definitely see him doing something with some other models as well. I was even thinking a pair like Jordan 1s and Jordan 5 because, you know, kind of matching to his swag, his style, his following. I think they could definitely tailor a couple of the Concrete Boy collabs up when it comes to Nike and even Jordan brand. But I do love the hits that they do have on here. Got your Concrete Boys logo on the heel right here, and you have the logo on the side, bro. I think that is super dope. And then on the tongue and even on the hang tag, you got "It's Us" right here. Let me go ahead and show you guys the tongue, bro. Premium touch to this little leather piece over the tongue, or this is like a nylon. No, this is leather. It's definitely leather going over the tongue right here, saying "It's Us." And on the back of the tongue, hey, they went crazy with these for Lil Yachty. You got Lil Yachty's name right here, man. So again, I think they added some really, really nice leather. And I'm always saying nice because I compare it to the Supreme Air Force Ones, to, you know, the Travis Scott Utopia joints. I think those Utopias. I'm actually gonna grab them real quick to kind of compare and contrast to. But I have a bunch of Air Force Ones, and I kind of go out there and try to get the ones that have a little bit of meaning behind it. And this being Lil Yachty's first Air Force One, with it being less than 10,000 pairs, I cannot be even more happy. I know later down the line, y'all probably gonna be, you know, dagging me in the comment section like, oh, they ain't going for nothing. People ain't wearing them, they trash. I don't think this is a trash Air Force One at all. You'll be surprised how many Air Force Ones I have in my collection. You'll be surprised how many foam pods I got in my collection, because foams and Air Force Ones is what I grew up on. Forces always is going for a low retail tag. I think it was going for like 80 or 90 bucks. So back then I can go ahead and scrape up $80, $90. But, you know what I'm saying, for the J's, I wasn't touching it. But Forces, grew up always loving them, always grabbing them. And this is definitely one of them ones, bro. Definitely give you guys a quick 360 over these guys right here. And I'm telling you, bro, I feel like they added an extra layer of leather or something. Got that tumbleness to the swoosh. You got your navy blue outsole right here. And again, I think the thing that kind of took this over the top for me personally, is that Concrete Boy logo on the side right here, man. I love it. I don't know what it is, bro, but just that little logo on the back embroidered, stitched in, is really hard in my opinion, bro. I'm definitely gonna have to do a little bit more research on, you know, Lil Yachty's Concrete Boys, you know, brand or whatever he has going on, because I'm not too familiar with it. I've seen the logo, I've seen him wearing some stuff with the Concrete Boys on it, but nothing to, you know, to where I'm like, hey, that's fine, you know what I'm saying? But for the Forces, of course, man, I had to grab him. Huge Lil Yachty fan. Hopefully he drops something crazy coming really, really soon. And something I did miss on the sneaker is you have the Air Force One and the 82. Yes, 82 right here on the lacing system. All right, man, so I had to grab a couple of my Air Force Ones. This is literally a couple. I have a bunch more, but this is the Cactus Jack Utopia joints that I was talking about. I grabbed a couple pairs of these. I don't even know where my double up is at, but these things have been put through a couple different storms, a couple different tests, but you guys can see the difference in the quality. Let me just grab two of the shoes. I feel like they definitely added a premium touch to the Concrete Boys. I don't know if you guys can kind of peep that, but this is super creased up, not good quality. And then just overall in terms of the shoe, it's the same size and everything like that. You guys can tell, just, you know, they added an extra premium touch to the Concrete Boy collaboration with Lil Yachty. And I told you, I'll go out there and grab kind of, you know, some of those marquee Air Force Ones. This is one that I definitely always wanted, had an opportunity to grab them last year. And this is the What the LA Air Force Ones. And again, this is a couple of Air Force Ones I'm showing y'all. It gets deeper than this. I got some heaters when it comes to the Air Force Ones, but this is by far probably one of my favorite in the collection when it comes to Air Force One. But you guys let me know down below in the comment section, man, how you feel about the Concrete Boys, Lil Yachty, Nike Air Force One collab. I think they did an outstanding job. And later down the line, I'm telling you, bro, people gonna be trying to reach back and grab these. And I'm gonna check the resale just real quick. Check the resale real quick just to see, you know, what them things are hitting for. I know they ain't going for nothing too crazy, but I'm telling y'all right now, wait a couple years down the line. This is going to be one of the ones people are bragging about having in the collection. I know it sounds far-fetched now, but just give it a little time, bro. And again, taking the resale, it's going for around 160, 170 in some sizes. So, hey, grab them right now while they're low. Don't regret it later, I'm telling y'all. I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. Make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy. Leave a huge like on today's video. I appreciate y'all. With all this being said, man, your boy Da Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.